Oh, she's got a rock. She got a rock. She's got a rock. Oh. And you stay there. No, I said you stay there. Oh my god! Ah! No, you don't come near me. You got that? Alright? Okay? I'm just gonna take that rock from you. Oh, you better not come here. Alright? You're not coming here. No, 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 God, no, no, please, God. Ah! I caught Bigfoot. I caught Bigfoot. Big lies. Secret password. She never knows when I go through here. Yeah. Boogle. Yeah, back off. She never knows when I come through here. Ah! She like. No, drop that. I want the rock. And that rock will now be mine. Because I want the rock. She never knows when I come through here. I think it's a sheep. Oh, sorry. Oh, crap! Right there, bro. I climbed this tree. I made this, by the way. Just letting you all know. Just climb this one-handed. I got to put you guys down for a minute. Just give me a little. Ava! Ava, come on! Ava, come here! Ava! Come here! Come on, Ava! Yeah, Ava! Ava, how are you supposed to get me now? She's boring. Like, she's not attentive. Well, this sucks. Oh, no, you don't. Ava, come here! Oh, you're done for. I'm gonna spank you so hard, you spank it darker. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna spank my dog. I only do that at night. No, that was a joke. You know what? I have a new pet, Ava. You guys can't see him right now.